In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Cloudways versus raw AWS and launch a managed AWS server the easy way. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to Cloudways. Sign into your account, and once you're inside the dashboard, head to the top right area and click Launch Now. If you already have access to the platform and see Add Server instead, that will take you to the same server setup area. This is where the deployment process begins. Before creating anything, it's important to understand the main difference between these two approaches. If you use raw AWS directly, you're responsible for everything yourself. That means setting up the operating system, securing the server, configuring updates, handling scripts, and optimizing the environment manually. It gives you full control, but it also increases complexity and risk. A small mistake in the terminal can cause major issues. Cloudways takes a different route. It sits on top of AWS as a managed layer and gives you a visual control panel instead of a command line heavy workflow. It handles much of the setup for you and provides an optimized stack that includes tools like Nginx, Apache, Memcached, and built-in monitoring. For many teams, that can save a lot of time. Next, consider the pricing and support side. Running AWS through Cloudways usually costs more than renting raw server resources directly from Amazon. However, that higher cost includes important services. With raw AWS, if your application breaks or your database goes down, support for your software is not automatically included. With Cloudways, you get around-the-clock expert support, monitoring, and automated daily backups in one place, which can be a major advantage for production websites. Now let's launch the server. In the server creation panel, open the application dropdown and choose WordPress using the latest optimized version available. Then go to the provider section and select Amazon Web Services. After that, choose your server size. A practical starting option could be 2 GB of RAM with the available virtual CPU allocation that comes with that plan. Then set your storage values. For example, you might assign 20 gigabytes for the root disk and 20 gigabytes for database storage, depending on your project's needs. Next, select the data center location closest to your audience. This helps reduce latency and improves site speed. Once that's done, review the pricing shown at the bottom and click Launch Now. Cloudways will handle the provisioning in the background, including server setup, firewall configuration, and stack deployment. When the server shows as active, do a final review, check the server overview, confirm the credentials area is available, verify the CPU and memory graphs are loading correctly, and make sure the storage matches what you selected. Also, confirm that the SSL status is active if it has already been issued. And that's it. You now have the performance of AWS with the convenience of a managed platform, which lets you spend less time on server administration and more time building and growing your website. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.